Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to connect your Wi-Fi from the phone to the computer. I'm not talking about the data you have. For instance, I'm connected to a Wi-Fi here. You get me? Then that Wi-Fi, I wanna connect it to my computer, right? Here I'm not using my data, right? I don't want to use my data. I have the password for this. Someone gave me the password, but I forgot it, and maybe I visited, right? I've got another machine here, so where I want to connect to, but then since the owner is not here, I cannot connect to it. But there's a bypass whereby I can use the same Wi-Fi here on my computer, on my phone, to connect to my laptop or to my other devices. Well, that's good. I'm using the Huawei P Smart, but also other phones. It can work because this is Android. So what you're gonna do, listen to me. I switched off my data, right? You can witness that. Well, I go to my settings. Maybe you have your Wi-Fi at work, you're connected at work or at school, but then you bring another device and they won't give you the password again, right? What you do, go to your settings and then go to wireless network, then go to tethering and portable hotspot. Good. Oh no, not Bluetooth. Here, whatever. Okay. Where did I go? Yes, here. You go to that. After that, then you go to, first of all, you have to create your own hotspot, right, on your phone, which is there. I have it already. It's off, right? But then you have to say Wi-Fi what? Bridge. You click on that, you make it on. Once you make it on, it says 1. Share your Wi-Fi connection with nearby devices for extended Wi-Fi coverage. 2. It can only take up to 4 devices, right? Because this is not yours. They don't know if it's yours, but now they're gonna give you a chance to connect without asking you the default password of the original Wi-Fi. Then Wi-Fi cannot be used at the same time. Wi-Fi bridge cannot be used at the same time. Connectivity features such as whatever, multi-screen and stuff. Okay, understand? And only connect to one device at a time, I think. Then after, since that is done, then you say setup. Here, this is my hotspot, but this time it won't use the hotspot password, the default one on our phone. So it's gonna generate its own. So click here to see it, because even if you try to connect using your default, it won't work, right? So now it created its own, right? If you want to change it, you may change it if you want to. So you leave it the way it is anyway. To make things simple, you save. Simply means it's on. It's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna switch it off. Okay, let me look at my laptop. Okay, on my laptop, I'm gonna do this and click here. You can see that there is no network here, but I'm gonna switch on Ali. Phone, look at the phone. I'm gonna switch on Ali. Well, once I switch on Ali is gonna come anytime soon here. It's gonna pop up. Wait guys, it's gonna pop up. I'm gonna press here. Look, it's searching for it. Well, we are connected, right? But remember, we connected to Ali. Look at something which is amazing here. Since something amazing is here, I'm connected, but I'm not using data. You see? So my data is off. I'm taking this, but under the name of Ali. So we created a Wi-Fi hotspot on our phone. Then the phone, we did what they call Wi-Fi bridge. We're bridging the Wi-Fi on the phone to work on the computer. So we switched off our data. We're using the real Wi-Fi. So look at this. Since Ali is connected and is not using my data for the phone, I can go to Facebook and play any video. You can see that everything is fine, working 100%. So guys, I hope you understood that part, and you can see, come here, back to the phone. So now the amazing part is there's no using of your data on your phone. Look, Ali is here, but you have to read this also. Then I'm gonna go back. You know, a lot of people are struggling. Once you are connected to a Wi-Fi for someone, you can connect other device via that Wi-Fi. There are these people who can say, bring your Wi-Fi, your phone, I put for your Wi-Fi. They don't want to give you a password, right? That's fine. But anyway, it's not good to use their internet without them giving you permission, right? So, but anyway, I'm just saying, maybe they gave you and you call them and they say, also, I forgot, something like that. Then something can happen, like you can do that bridge. Remember, this information, we're teaching it to you for only educational use. You cannot use it for anything else rather than that, what we're teaching you to do. Okay, you go to Wi-Fi bridge, as we say. I'm going to repeat the steps anyway and explain to you. First of all, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi, any Wi-Fi. 2, switch off your data to see if our trick is working. 3, go to your settings, click on wireless and networks, then tethering and and portable, and then you click on we believe you already have your Wi-Fi hotspot created on your phone. You must create one if you don't have one. Then you click on bridge, then switch on the bridge for that specific name. Then you click on set. That's when you're gonna see your password. That's the password you're gonna use to put into another device you save. Then you read this, then you go to your computer. I'm using Kali, press there. Then you can see here, you can select, you can see it's connected. If it's not connected, you will connect it, then it will ask you for the password. You put in the password, right? Done. So once that is done, guys, it's gonna be easy for you to connect